Brother Fred Alale. Please let's acknowledge him.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Can I first start by acknowledging the traditional owners of the land, the elders past and present, and also kick off by welcoming everyone, acknowledging all of you, Pastor Sheyi Oluwashola, Pastor Branith, the president of the Yoruba community, Mr. Matthew Adetifa. I'm always very appreciative of the women that work behind the scenes, because I know how much hard work they do and how they enable the men be the leaders that they are. So please acknowledge the women. Thank you. Can I also welcome Mr. Malilua, the president of the Edo community, and his wife Doris. Welcome here. And I also have to acknowledge our past Yoruba presidents, my Percy, Mr. Olaiton, Wale Olaiton. Welcome for being here today too. So, and Claire, my wife, thank you so much for being here and supporting us. Look, I guess I'll just start by just saying how proud I am of the Yoruba Association and what you've done, and how you promote our culture and heritage and put it at the forefront there. And because it's important for us to always know where you come from, to always know, because if you don't know where you come from, then you don't have that reference point to plot your future and where you're going. So it's always good to be well grounded. It's always good to share our culture and heritage with our children. It's important that they know that. Our president earlier on, when he started his speech, said, you know, we're in a new culture. We need to assimilate. We need to get on and actually advance and excel, and we do. And I'm so proud of that. We as Nigerians, we excel anywhere we are, and we excel in Australia. We're the number one most educated immigrant group across Australia, not just across Africa. We're the most highly educated immigrant group, and so we kick ass. So we excel in everything we do, and we should be proud of ourselves. So, but at the same time, we also need to remember our culture. We need to make sure that we pass it on to our kids at every opportunity. And events like this, celebrations like this, organizations like this, help make that happen. And we as the Nigerian Society of Victoria are always very strong and very supportive of all our community organizations, because of the fact that you promote that culture, the rich culture, the diverse culture that makes up the tapestry of Nigeria. So we're very supportive of that, and we will continue to support you in whatever way we can as a Nigerian Society of Victoria, and we encourage you to continue the great work, the Yoruba classes. I'm really excited about that. I'd like to enroll my 2 kids there to make sure they learn Yoruba, so continue that. I was also just given the EWI classes or events there. It was just when they were singing the song, like the oh yo yo Yoruba no. I mean, it just took me back to the days when I was younger, and it's like, wow, you know, things that, you know, it's been a long time, and yeah. I think about how do we get our children to feel those things, those rich, that culture, those feelings that, I don't know, lots of you, when you heard that, you would have felt it. And, well, it's a challenge to us, and see how we can, you know, pass that on to our children. Look, guys, at this juncture, I'm not going to say much apart from saying well done, everybody, for being here. Thank you for supporting the Yoruba Association and turning out and dressing up also nicely, promoting our culture and heritage. Besides that, thank you so much. I'm not going to take your time. Enjoy the rest of your evening. Well done.
Thank you, Mr. President.